stop. Don't buy another TV antenna. Most of them are overpriced, and honestly, they barely work. Today, I'm building a high-power NextGen TV antenna, using scrap materials, for under $3. And if this works the way I expect, this might be the last antenna you ever need. Stay with me. The final signal test is going to shock you. $2 build. Every cut you see here directly affects how the antenna interacts with electromagnetic waves. Even small inconsistencies can weaken long-range reception. That's why we're shaping each element manually, to maintain consistency and maximize signal capture surface. This is the difference between a decorative antenna and a functional one. No signal booster. Real metal design. Now pay attention to how everything connects. Signal loss doesn't happen by accident, it happens at connection points. The cleaner the signal path, the more stable your channel lock will be. That's what prevents pixelation and random signal drops. This right here is the real secret. No amplifiers, no signal boosters, just a clean impedance match, using a proper balun transformer. That means lower signal loss, higher efficiency, and stronger UHF reception. Most commercial antennas skip this step entirely. And that's why this one outperforms them. Most people think antennas need amplifiers. In reality, a well-designed passive system can outperform amplified ones. Amplifiers boost noise just as much as signal. That's why cleaner design always wins. At this stage, we're locking in the final geometry. Spacing here is critical. It defines frequency response. And this is where things get interesting, because once this is connected, there's no guessing. The scan will tell us everything. Alright, this is it. Moment of truth. Let's connect the $2 antenna and scan for channels. Wait, look at that. 29 channels. Free. Crystal clear HD. No glitches. No pixelation. This is beating antennas that cost 20 times more. That's insane. If this surprised you, imagine what you can build next. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your number in the comments. How many channels did you get? I read every single one. See you in the next build.